Good morning. How y'all doing? My name is Mazda Rodney. Just doing a quick video of this 2023 CX-50 that we lifted. It's finally in the showroom. If you look at my previous videos, I have one where it's in the shop, and I'll tell you all the specs of what we put on there. But it's lifted 1.5 inches with some all-terrain tires, and I will tell you now, here at our dealership, this is probably the 5th one we did. And for some reason, it just makes it look better, and it's selling like hotcakes once it's lifted. Tell me what you think. You know, I'll tell you the exact specs of the tires that we got on there. They're 255, 65, 17s. Obviously, those are the OEM rims with some bigger tires. So preferred package plus. Oh, look at that. Hey David, how are you doing? Yeah, that's David, one of the top salespeople here. Probably because he treats everyone like their family. We just have fun, and he has the funniest walk-arounds. So let me know what you think. You know what we should do? Let's test David. Let's see how he would present this to a customer. Yo, David, why don't you do a little walk around with me? You tell me how you would describe this to people. Oh shoot. Do it the funny way. Let's keep it funny. All right.
We got the 2023 CX-50 all-terrain tires, 1.5 inch lift on it. Obviously, there's 17s, original OEM rims on them, blacked out, poly metal grid on the outside, black interior. This is the first year they came out with panoramic sunroof. Show them that, Rodney, because the sky is the limit.
Oh, okay. I like that. Sky's the limit.
You know what I'm saying? You got the leather and interior, cloth insert type shit.
Okay, type shit. All right, keep on being cheesy. I like it.
First time they have Apple CarPlay. That's going to be standard now. Preferred Plus and up. Obviously, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, dual climate control. Comes standard with all the safety features. That's what I love about Mazda. Second row, you have 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks.
Boom, 3 clicks.
Armrest in the second row. Ventilated system for your passengers as well. Keep them heated or cool. Come around to the rear. It's dead.
It's dead. Get the jump box.
Do you have the racks on top?
What's the number one problem with the racks? Come on, just tell everybody out there. If you get the racks, they're cool, but
you get a little bit of wind noise.
Is it really just a little?
Cares?
Or just turn up the music is what you're saying?
Turn up the music.
Yeah. So if you do, just so we're on the same page, if you do decide to get the roof racks, they are very, very loud. The quick solution to that, obviously, is turn up the music or don't have the racks. But do expect that. Right?
But you need some racks.
Racks on racks. All right. Well, that's it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you want David M, to do another video. He's right there. And have a great day.